Hey guys, John Rock and TV1 here. We are calling this a steaming can of Squirrel B Gone right there. Look at the size of that thing. It's bigger than my cat. Yeah, and these things are like doing this to my burpee. Like eating holes in it for no particular reason, you know. They're bigger than the cat. So, yeah, I just figured I'd show you this guy here. It's probably more about the pellet than anything else, and I'm going to try to get this in here. Took this guy a little while ago out here. By the time I actually got leveled on him, he had already hit the ground and was headed. And so from about 60 feet, freehand, right in the squash. And we did that with these here Kodiak 21 grain, and that's why we're using the heavy pellets in the Trail 1100 here, because it came right through his head, and a serious blowout over here on this side. So yeah, so this here ain't it's not a sport hunting video, it's a pest control video. And you want a can of steaming Squirrel B Gone, I think about these here pellets, 21 grain 0.14 against the Hollow Point 14.3s, and these things here hit hard. Hopefully you can see the difference in size there. Yeah, quite a bit of a difference. Yeah, and they work. So yeah, you guys want to you guys need a pellet and you're trying to think about it, or you're thinking about one of these Trail XL 1100s, I like it a lot. Yeah, hey, thanks for watching.